In this video, I will show how to format your text in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if you copy your data from somewhere in your Microsoft Word, and you will see different size, color and font style. So firstly, you need to format to make this data as your Microsoft Word settings. So firstly, press Ctrl A, and in font section here you will see clear all formatting. Remove all formatting from the section, leaving only the normal unformatted text. So just click on it. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe my channel.